Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a free food haul. I had all this stuff shipped to me. Everything was completely free. I didn't pay for nothing. So let's get started with this free food haul, guys. The very first thing I got free was a big gallon of 2% milk. Gallon of milk, I got that for free. Like all this stuff was free. I didn't pay for nothing. I got a big block of sliced cheese. I got some jumbo hot dogs. I got 2 big things of this gigantic probiotic, this vanilla yogurt. Got the real big things of yogurt, vanilla. And this one's vanilla too. So I got 2 big tubs of those. I got this big thing of cookies right here. This is for St. Patty's Day. I think one crumbled right here, but it's okay. I got some cookies. Wow, I have so much stuff. I took out the boxes, guys. So much stuff. I even got some free stuff from Target also. So, let's see. I got this real big thing of chicken. It's frozen still. It's hard. And then I got a bag right here free of this King's Hawaiian sweet rolls. It's a little tiny bag. Sorry, guys, I'm having a problem trying to open up bags. I also got this real big thing of fresh romaine lettuce. This is good for like wrapping up your hamburgers or sandwiches and things like that. Whatever you want to eat healthier without the carbs, without the bread. Use it in lettuce. Wrap that up. Really, really good. I got another big, whoops. I'll take it out the bag. Got another huge bag right here of oranges. These are the big, big oranges. And then I got another bag right here of, you could tell it's carrots. So I got a whole bunch of carrots right here. These are like a little bag of carrots I got for free. I got some hot dog rolls for free. Bowl and basket, whatever this, that's a brand from ShopRite. And also I got, let me see, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. I had to like pause the video just for a minute because I was having a problem opening up the bags. So I also got for free these big gigantic sausage patties. They're big, huge things of sausage. So this will go in my freezer. I got another block of cheese. This is American cheese. Big thing of white American cheese. I got a dozen of eggs. Medium size. Got that for free. Everything is free, guys. I'm sorry saying the word every minute, but I got a real big thing of vanilla yogurt again. So I got vanilla yogurt. And then I got a bag right here of, I have a whole bunch of lemons and oranges. So I got a bunch of oranges, a bunch of lemons here. See, I have a whole bunch of these, but the bag broke. So I got a bunch of those. A lot of fresh fruit. And then I got another bag right here free. A big thing of fresh apples. Just making a whole bunch of that. Oh my God, my whole house be full. Got a big thing of potatoes. I got a huge big thing of onions. I love onions. I use onions in everything. Love onions. Got some bagels, little mini bagels. These are so good with cream cheese. Or you can make little tiny breakfast sandwiches or something. Got some little bagels. I got a bag right here of this brand called Mountain White bread. So it's a thing of bread right here. I got that. Got that for free. I got some more hot dog rolls. So the whole thing is full so far, guys. I got this big thing of cereal from Mexico. It's like a wannabe Cheerios, multi-grain rings. Got the cute little animal on it. It's a nice big bag. I got another big thing of Hawaiian rolls, got for free. Then I got these 2 hair products from Target. I got these for free. I got this hair texture dry shampoo spray. Got that for free from Target. And then this one was free from Target. I got this another dry hair shampoo. Okay, this is a dry texture spray. So it looks like that. So I got that for free. And then I got another bag right here of some cabbage. I got a whole bunch of potatoes and sweet potatoes and a whole big heavy thing of green peppers. I also got this free Progreso chicken noodle soup, and that's the big can. And then I got some homemade gravy, turkey gravy. Got that for free. And then I got some corn for free. I got this little tiny, this little spray right here. What is this? I can't even see. I can't even see what this is, guys. I'm trying to zoom in. I don't know if it says waterless. I think it's a little dry shampoo or something. I'm not sure. Sorry, guys, about that. I can't see with the flash, and it wasn't zooming in. I got some fruit in a can. And then I got another thing of green beans. I got this free little nail clipper. And then I got this for free. What is this? Fixodent. I guess this is for dentures or something. I don't know. I don't have dentures. I'm not a person that lost their teeth. So, I don't know. I'll probably give this away to somebody, see if anybody I know needs that. And then I got this for free. This is, let's see. It's a pancake mix in a bag. Okay, that's cool. Pancake mix. Got some green peas. I got a little thing of tuna fish. Wow. I got, well, look at all this stuff so far, guys. All this stuff I got today. All free. I got a thing of cup of soup. A big thing of pancake syrup. I guess this is a Dollar Tree brand or something. So I got a thing of pancake syrup. I got another thing of little bagels. A whole bunch of those. I got a big box right here of some instant mashed potatoes. Wow, look at all this stuff, guys. All this stuff. I got another big can of, I think this is beef in a can. Yup, beef. This is meat and gravy. I got 2 of these little snacks. Tuna Salad Kit with crackers. So it's already made. You just put it on the cracker and eat it on the go. I got another can right here of, this is fruit. You can see the can is dented right there. It's a little messed up, but that's okay. Got another thing of, this is chicken in a can. I'm almost done, guys, almost done. I got a little thing of oil, so that's cool. Wow, I have a lot of good stuff today, guys. Some oranges in a can. Wow, look at all this stuff, guys. I got it all for free, all of this. I got another huge, whoops, this real big, heavy, wow, it's really big and heavy. This big, huge can of chicken broth. Oh, my goodness. I got another thing of tuna fish. That's from Mexico. I got more chicken in a can. I got this big thing of mapo. This is enriched grits. So I can make cheese grits. My husband loves grits. So we got a big box of grits. I got a big container right here of cream of chicken soup. So this is good for your staple as a prepper. You know, I have more than 10-year supply in my house, so. I had this huge, big thing of beans. Nice, big, dried, what beans are these? Garbanzos. And my son and husband loves garbanzo beans. These are chickpeas, guys. Chickpeas. But in Puerto Rico, they're called garbanzo. So I got those. And the last little item is another can of tuna fish. Yep. So that's it, guys. That's all the stuff I got today free. All this stuff. Bread and milk, cheese, meats, canned goods, lots of vegetables, everything. Oh my goodness. Wow. You see all this stuff is crazy. I buy so much stuff. More than, I spend $2,000 a week, and people say it's extreme, but it's not. It's only for 3 people. My daughter don't live here no more. It's just me and my husband and my son. And then I buy a lot too, and I get free stuff. So my whole house is always full, like full. I don't have to worry about anything or run out of anything. So anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this haul. Stay tuned for more videos. Like I said, I had all this stuff shipped. These are the boxes. Oh, my goodness. But anyway, thanks for watching this haul. Stay tuned for more videos. I will be doing more soon again. Let me put all the stuff away if I have any room. And I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day and be safe out there, guys. Bye.